Hi guys, so see this? That's the CO606, CO615 with the digital display. So guys, we're gonna be seeing which one of these carbon arms go off first. So guys, we're gonna light this on fire, but inside a bag is not complete combustion, so that means it's gonna create carbon monoxide without trying to kill you, because you're gonna have this ziplock closed. There, we're lighting it. We want to get a good fire, but no, try not to make it too big because you're gonna melt the bag. We did that yesterday. Okay, let's see how this is gonna go. See how it's creating carbon monoxide. Man, it's still at 345.
Okay, it went up to the third level.
Oh, one more level and the alarm's gonna be sounding. Okay? I wonder when this thing is gonna go. Oh, it sounded. It says evacuate right there.
Okay.
Took 10 minutes, this took almost 11. Thank you for watching, guys.